operating times of the relays or protection system. Operating times of the protection system. Operating times of protection system. Protection system consisting of relays and as well as circuit breaker. So here the protection system is nothing but the combination of relay and circuit breaker. Operating time of protection system means it is nothing but the combination of operating time of relay and as well as circuit breaker. So let us take the operating time like this. So this is the relay time. Fault clearing time. This is complete fault clearing time. And this is a out of this fault clearing time, this part is given for relay reset time. Relay reset time. So this part is given for relay reset time, right? So this is, if you take this complete cycle as a operating time, so here this one is a fault clearing time and this is a relay reset time. Now this is the point where the fault is initiated. The fault is initiated. The fault is initiated here, and up to this time the relay operating time here. After fault initiated, relay has to operate. So this is relay operating time. Relay operating time. And after the relay operating time, there will be circuit breaker operating time. Circuit breaker operating time up to here. Circuit breaker operating time. So again, in the circuit breaker operating time, there is two types of operation here. I am dividing the circuit breaker operation time into two types. One is circuit breaker open time, and another one after opening arc quenching time. So arcing time, I am calling it as arcing time. Okay, so this is the complete operating times of the protection system. Fault is initiated here. After that, relay will be starts working, and this time is taken for relay operating. So this is called relay operating time. After that, the relay contacts closed here. The relay contacts closed. The relay contacts closed. That means trip signal is received to the circuit breaker. At this point, relay contacts completely closed. As and when the relay contacts closed, the trip signal will be received to the circuit breaker, so that the circuit breaker contacts will starts open. That's what the main operation. So here the time taken for opening the circuit breaker contact is here, circuit breaker contacts opening time, and here the circuit breaker contacts fully opened. Circuit breaker contacts gets fully opened. Circuit breaker contacts gets fully opened, and after that there will be a arc struck between the contacts and the arc quenching property. By using arc quenching properties, the arc will be extinguished here, and the time is taken up to here. This is called arcing time, and here after this the arc is fully extinguished here. The arc is fully extinguished. That means at this point the fault is cleared. The fault is cleared, and the remaining time is given for the relay reset time. Relay reset time. Okay, so this is what the operating times of the protection system. Here the fault is initiated, then the relay operating time will be taken here. After this, the relay contacts fully closed here, then the trip signal is received to circuit breaker, and the circuit breaker takes some time to open, and this is the time taken for opening the circuit breaker. At this time the circuit breaker contacts fully opened, and arc will be initiated in the circuit breaker by using the arc quenching property. Circuit breaker arcing time will be up to here, and here the arc is fully extinguished. That means the fault is cleared at this position. Okay, and from this we can define some timings called relay operating time. Definitions we have to write the relay operating time. Relay operating time. How can you define the relay operating time? It is a time lapse, time taken, or it is a time lapse between the instant of, or between the instant at which the fault is initiated to the instant at which the relay contacts fully closed. This is a relay operating time. Okay, so it is a time lapse between the instant at which the fault is initiated and the relay contacts gets fully closed. This is called the relay operating time. Similarly, circuit breaker open time. So it is a time lapse between the instant at which relay contacts fully or gets closed to the circuit breaker contacts fully opened. After that, arcing time, same definition. It is a time lapse between the instant at which the relay contacts gets fully opened and at the instant at which the arc is fully extinguished. Okay, and if somebody is asking what is the circuit breaker operating time, what is the circuit breaker operating time? This is a complete circuit breaker operating. That means it is a time lapse between relay contacts gets closed to the arc fully extinguished. So this is the circuit breaker operating time. And what is a fault clearing? What is a fault clearing time? In the examination, if any definition, he may ask like anything. So if it is asked like what is a fault clearing time, so how can you define this one? By using this diagram. So it is a time lapse between at the instant which the fault is initiated to the arc is fully extinguished. This is called the fault clearance time, at which the arc is fully cleared or extinguished. This is completely fault clearing time. Okay, and what is the relay reset time from this diagram? Relay reset time. So it is a time lapse between the instant at which the fault is cleared to the instant at which the relay is back to its original position, from the fault clearing time to original time. So this is the original position. So this is the relay reset time. So if you remember this diagram, then you can easily define the definition whatever he asks. Okay, so the complete fault clearing time is nothing but the combination of relay operating time plus circuit breaker operating time. Circuit breaker opening time, circuit breaker operation time is nothing but circuit breaker opening time plus arcing time. Okay, so generally circuit breaker opening time is more than the arcing time, because circuit breaker is a mechanical device. So to open the contacts, it will be taking some time. So compared to this, the circuit breaker opening time is more than the arcing time generally. So these are related to the operating times of the protection system.